and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Calum Scott. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been here on Garden Guitar. It's time. Roots, that's the new song from him. So let's take a look at this song with the capo set on the 4th fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. Easiest chords. We have the melodies that goes very easy here. So capo on 4th is pretty much a must. Let's do it. So we have a couple of chords, I believe 5 of them to learn. So yeah, let's learn the chords first. A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E. We have the F. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret and you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And there we have the chords. All right, so we're gonna look at the verse play first. And it's a picking pattern, very, very easy. It's based upon F, A minor, G, and F, okay? So it both starts and ends on F. It goes like this, the pattern for F. That's 1 round. You're gonna play for 4 rounds, so. Right? So very easy, you're gonna alternate 2 notes, and that is the pattern for all these chords now in the verse. The F alternating pattern will be first on E string in the bass, and then you alternate that with the 2nd G. 4 times like that. Then you go over to the A minor based pattern. It goes. You're gonna start with open A and alternate that with the 1st B. 4 times. Over to the next chord, the G, and you're gonna start with the 3rd fret E string in the bass and alternate that with the open B string. 4 times of that, and then you end with the same F as you started with. So 1st E string, you're gonna start with that, and 2nd G. 4 rounds. So that is the verse play, and 2 rounds of it goes. 1 second round. And you're actually gonna play for 3 rounds, and there you have the verse play, okay? So the first verse is done. Over to the chorus. Now we're gonna work with chords and strumming. So it's a very simple strumming pattern. If you grab the A minor, that is the 1st chord. 1 strumming round will be about 4 downs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 strumming round. So. Okay. So we have the chord progression that goes A minor 2, C2, D minor 2, F almost 2, okay? Not really, but F, you're gonna play 1 strumming round, then you're gonna play 1 down. So you're just gonna play 1 down in the 2nd round, and then you shift to G and play 3 downs. Okay? So the total that will be about 2 rounds. So F1 plus 1 down, and you finish off with the G 3 downs. And that is 1 chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds. So A minor 2, C2, D minor 2, F1 plus 1 down, and then G 3 downs. Like this. That is 1 round. Play for 2 rounds. 2 rounds of that, that's the chorus. And over now to post-chorus part, you're just gonna do the same there. The chorus play for 2 rounds, and that's it for the post-chorus part. So in total, 4 rounds if you add on the chorus and post-chorus together. Then back to the second round of everything, you're gonna play the verse play in the exact same way as you did in the first one. So second verse, no changes, and the same goes with the second chorus. Okay, after the second chorus, we have a bridge part, okay? And yeah, you're gonna continue the same strumming 4 downs. And this bridge part goes F2, A minor 2, G2, then D minor 1 and F1. Okay, so you're just gonna play the same strumming, F2, A minor 2, G2, D minor 1, F1, like this. And after that, you go back to play the third round for chorus and post-chorus, and guess what? No changes there. A total of 4 rounds of the strumming, A minor C, D minor F, and the last G there. 4 rounds of that, and that wraps it up for Calum Scott's Roots. All right, so this is not like 100% the guitar song, but you have the guitars in there, especially in the chorus and the post-chorus parts. A little bit rocker sound there. So it fits guitar very well, I would say, anyway. Good luck with Calum Scott's Roots. And feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you so much, and play tuned.